Hey, what's going on? Yes, you read that right. Nike Crocs. Nike Air Force One Crocs. And at first, I was like, God, why? Why do we need this? They're kind of icy. I'm not gonna lie, I kind of like them. But they're not real. They're only a concept right now. They're a concept actually designed by a guy named Keegan McDaniel. I'll put a link in the description below so you guys can go check out the whole article and look at them and everything like that. But just looking at these other colors and stuff, they look so icy. And I normally hate Crocs, but these I would get. I'm not gonna lie, if they did actually make them, I would get them. Just looking at like some of the details, like the iconic holes in the top of the Air Force Ones that they got on them, how the swoosh is a strap, that's what does it for me right there. That's what is actually pretty cool. But you know how the internet is today? I wouldn't be surprised if Nike did catch wind of it because of how much traction is already gaining, and they kind of tried to make something happen. I know there's a whole bunch that goes into making a shoe and everything, but it'd be kind of cool, right? They look clean. When I wear them, probably around the house, that's about it. I'm not wearing them things outside anywhere, but they look legit. And speaking of Crocs, Justin Bieber dropped a pair of Crocs as well. I know, it's Croc Day. They sold out in 90 minutes. And that, to me, they're not even that crazy. It's just like, it looks like he bought some Crocs and put some stickers on them and called it a day. Or is that just me? People were buying them out the ass, and then now you see them going on resale in sites for like 90 to 120 was last time I checked. I saw some at, honestly, just give me like $25, some glue and some stickers. I got you. Now that we're talking about $45 items, Levi's has actually started a buyback program called Secondhand. So it's really their effort to try to push being more sustainable. I think that's just kind of the way every clothing brand is going right now. But here's the catch about this. This is what gets me about this. I can't imagine they're gonna pay you a whole bunch for your used jeans and stuff, because they're gonna wash them and they're gonna, you know, run you down a little bit. I just see the GameStop of jeans forming right in front of us right now. And then if you actually go on the site, you can buy stuff from them right now that's secondhand. And they are cheaper, but not like crazy cheap. Everything on there, from what I can see, is ranging from $30 up to $150. Don't get me wrong, I know some Levi's denim can go for hundreds and hundreds of dollars, but come on, man. Like, I'm trying to buy secondhand to save some money, be socially responsible, and, you know, still come out looking good. Now, I'm not trying to spend an arm and a leg. Speaking of not spending an arm and a leg, Walmart dropped a new clothing line called Free Assembly. I don't know if y'all have heard, but everything on the site right now is between $9 and $45. Top to bottom. I did already order some stuff and I just got it in. I need to kind of really go through it a little bit and do a full decent review on them, but that's coming up very, very soon. Probably in the next video is what I'm shooting for. But from what I can tell, like, the first impressions, like, they might have did something. Like, they might be onto something, because I'm actually really excited about it and just kind of try some stuff on. The main thing being is I got some selvage denim jeans. And if you don't know about selvage denim is usually like 120, I mean, way up there to like $300 for some jeans sometimes. So, and I got them for $40. And I think they mainly did this to compete with Target's Goodfellow brand, because y'all know Target has been on point and getting real popular, not only with girls, but guys too now. It's just, they just been doing it right. They're getting super competitive in this area now, which is crazy. But it's good for us that they're getting competitive, because that just means cheaper prices in the long run, right? If you like smelling good, I don't know if this is gonna be helpful for you, but David Dobrik, y'all know David Dobrik, right? He's like YouTube's poster boy right now, even though he doesn't even post at the moment, but he still is. Released something called David's Perfume. Now, I think that was probably because more than likely most of his viewership, or the majority of his viewership, are girls. But if you actually go and look at the website, one bottle is pink and like very bright and colorful, and then he has another one that is dark and black, and it looks masculine and everything like that, and it's got masculine smells like a sandalwood base and all that other stuff. It's a cologne, but he didn't call it a cologne. Now, I'm not going to judge book by its cover. I'll give it a shot. Like, I might give it a shot. I don't know for sure yet. What I do want to note is that it is not the cheapest. It is $60 for a 2 fluid ounce bottle. And that's gonna be it for this one, guys. Just some stuff I thought was interesting for the week. I just wanted to talk about it real quick. And if you guys like this video, I'll probably keep doing these. And let me know in the comments if you would buy the Nike clogs, because I think I would. And as always, guys, I will see you in the next one.